Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed, and suddenly, a stunning photo of a vibrant sunset catches your eye. The colors are so vivid, so lifelike, it almost feels like you're there, basking in the golden glow. Have you ever wondered how people capture such breathtaking photos? Is there a secret app, a special filter, or maybe even a hidden camera setting that only the pros know about? Today, we're diving deep into the world of photography, and we're going to answer the burning question, is Vivid for free? Vivid is a popular photo editing app known for its ability to enhance colors, boost contrast, and add a touch of magic to your images. It's used by professionals and amateurs alike, and it's often credited with creating those eye-catching photos you see online. But here's the thing, Vivid isn't free. It's a premium app that requires a subscription to access its full range of features. So, if you're looking for a free alternative, you might be wondering what your options are. Exploring free alternatives. While Vivid may be the gold standard for color enhancement, there are plenty of excellent free alternatives available. Here are a few popular options. Snapseed. This app from Google offers a wide range of editing tools, including color adjustment, filters, and healing tools. It's a great choice for those who want a versatile and powerful editor without the price tag. Adobe Lightroom Mobile. If you're already familiar with Adobe's desktop software, Lightroom Mobile is a great option. It provides many of the same features, including color correction, white balance, and lens corrections. Instagram. Yes, Instagram. While primarily a social media platform, Instagram's built-in editing tools can be surprisingly effective. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and more to enhance your photos. Canva. Canva is known for its ease of use and versatility. While it's primarily a graphic design tool, it also offers basic photo editing features, including color adjustment and filters. Comparing features and quality. While these free alternatives offer a decent range of features, they may not be as powerful or intuitive as Vivid. The quality of the results can also vary depending on the specific app and your editing skills. If you're serious about photography and want the best possible results, investing in a premium app like Vivid might be worth considering. However, if you're just looking to make minor adjustments to your photos, a free alternative could be sufficient. So, to answer the question, is Vivid for free? No, it's not. However, there are plenty of excellent free alternatives available that can help you create stunning photos. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Whether you opt for a premium app or a free alternative, the most important thing is to have fun and experiment with different editing techniques to find your own unique style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shooting.